Attention, car enthusiasts! Amazon's early Black Friday automotive deals are rolling in, and the savings are unbelievable. We've handpicked 20 powerful tools and equipment with up to 60% off. But hurry, these offers won't last long. From cutting-edge repair gadgets to must-have garage upgrades, these deals will transform your ride and save you big before the rush begins. Stay till the end. Number 1. Wolfbox 4000. A jump starter with air compressor. The Wolfbox 4000, a jump starter, combines raw power with practicality, effortlessly jump-starting up to 10.0-liter gas or 8.0-liter diesel engines. Its built-in air compressor quickly inflates tires, sports equipment, and more, perfect for roadside emergencies. With smart safety protection, USB fast charging, and a rugged design, this all-in-one powerhouse ensures you're never stranded. Compact yet mighty, it's a must-have tool for every car owner seeking convenience and confidence on the road. Number 2. Astroai S 8-car battery. Jump starter 12-volt portable. The Astroai S8 jump starter delivers up to 3,000 ampere peak current, instantly reviving dead batteries in cars, trucks, and SUVs. Designed with smart protection and dual USB fast charging ports, it doubles as a power bank on the go. The bright LED flashlight adds extra safety during night use, while its compact build easily fits in your glove box. Reliable, durable, and user-friendly, the S8 ensures peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Number 3. Scatach 0113000A. Car battery, jump starter, 12 volts. The Scatach 011 jump starter packs 3,000 amps, peak power to start gas and diesel vehicles in seconds. Its intelligent clamps provide full protection against reverse polarity, overcurrent, and short circuits. Compact yet rugged, it also functions as a portable power bank with USB ports for charging devices. With an integrated LED flashlight and clear digital display, the Scatach 011 offers a dependable emergency solution for drivers who value power, portability, and safety. Number 4. Yaberauto 12-in-1 jump starter with air compressor. The Yaberauto 12-in-1 jump starter is a multifunctional lifesaver for your car. Delivering 4,000 amps peak current, it jump starts most vehicles effortlessly. The built-in air compressor inflates tires quickly, while its power bank, LED light, and safety protections make it perfect for travel and emergencies. Compact and sturdy, this jump starter is designed for convenience and reliability, combining multiple essential tools into one powerful and easy-to-use automotive device. Number 5. Auxito 6000A car battery. Jump starter 12-volt portable. The Auxito 6000A jump starter is an ultra-powerful unit capable of reviving even large engines up to 12.0-liter gas or 10.0-liter diesel. Its smart safety features ensure stable performance, while dual USB-C and USB-A outputs let you charge multiple devices fast. A built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode enhances nighttime safety. Rugged, portable, and weather-resistant, this jump starter is designed for serious drivers who demand maximum reliability on every trip. Number 6. Topdon scanner, AD800BTV 2.0. Diagnostic tool. The Topdon AD800BTV 2.0 is a professional-grade diagnostic tool offering comprehensive OBD2 coverage for all major car brands. Featuring Bluetooth connectivity, it provides real-time data, full system diagnostics, and live graphing through an intuitive interface. Its large touchscreen and fast processor ensure smooth operation, while frequent updates keep it compatible with new models. Ideal for DIYers and mechanics alike, the AD800BTV 2.0 brings shop-level diagnostics straight to your garage. Number 7. Vivohome containment. Mat 8 feet 6 inches by 20 inches. Garage floor. The Vivohome containment mat protects your garage floor from oil drips, snow, and mud. Made from heavy-duty PVC with waterproof edging, it traps spills and debris effectively. Its slip-resistant backing keeps it firmly in place, while the foldable design makes storage effortless. Perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs, this mat keeps your garage cleaner and safer all year long, especially during messy winter months. A smart, durable solution for tidy vehicle maintenance. Number 8. Autel Level 2 EV Charger 40 Amp Home Smart AI. The Autel Level 2 EV Charger brings intelligent charging to your home setup. Delivering up to 40 amps of power, it charges EVs up to 9 times faster than standard outlets. The smart app allows scheduling, energy monitoring, and remote control, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure seamless connectivity. Built with weatherproof durability and universal compatibility, this charger combines speed, safety, and convenience, making it the perfect upgrade for modern electric vehicle owners. Number 9. Autown Flat Tire Repair Kit 31 PCS for car and truck. The Autown 31-piece tire repair kit equips you with everything to fix punctures fast. Made with high-strength steel tools and premium sealing strips, it's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and SUVs. The ergonomic T-handle design ensures a firm grip for effortless repairs, while the compact case keeps everything neatly organized, durable, and easy to use. This kit saves time, money, and frustration during unexpected roadside tire troubles. Number 10. Ancel BM 700 Pro BMW OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. The Ancel BM 700 Pro is an advanced diagnostic tool tailored for BMW and Mini vehicles. It performs full system scans, resets service lights, and provides real-time data with precision. With its user-friendly interface, fast response, and multilingual support, it simplifies complex diagnostics. Compact and plug-and-play, it's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether checking engine performance or clearing codes, the BM 700 Pro delivers accurate results with ease. Number 11. Aoben 6-inch Dual-Action Car Buffer Polisher Kit. The Aoben 6-inch Dual-Action Polisher Kit makes car detailing effortless with its smooth, swirl-free finish. Featuring variable speed control and a powerful motor, it's perfect for polishing, waxing, and removing scratches. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long sessions, while the included pads and accessories make it beginner-friendly. Whether you're restoring shine or maintaining gloss, this Aoben polisher delivers professional-grade results right from your garage. Number 12. Fovel 2-Pack 12-volt Smart Trickle Battery Charger Maintainer. Keep your batteries charged year-round with the Fovel 12-volt Smart Trickle Charger. This 2-pack kit automatically maintains and charges car, motorcycle, or boat batteries safely. With advanced protection against overcharging, short circuits, and reverse polarity, it extends battery life and ensures readiness. Compact and easy to use, the LED indicators show charging status at a glance. It's the perfect solution for long-term battery care and maintenance at home. Number 13. Grease Gun Battery-Powered Electric Grease Kit. The battery-powered electric grease gun kit simplifies lubrication tasks with strong, consistent pressure output. Ideal for automotive and industrial maintenance, it delivers grease efficiently without manual pumping. The ergonomic handle, rechargeable battery, and durable metal build ensure ease of use and reliability. Great for mechanics, farmers, or RV owners. This kit keeps machinery and vehicles performing smoothly with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Number 14. Akarki Power Inverter for Milwaukee 18-volt battery, 200 watts. The Akarki Power Inverter converts your Milwaukee 18-volt battery into a portable power source. With dual AC outlets and USB ports, it delivers up to 200 watts to charge laptops, phones, and tools anywhere. Built with smart safety protection, it prevents overheating and short circuits. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for camping, work sites, or emergencies, turning your power tools into reliable backup energy on the go. Number 15. Ecogenics 2-in-1 CS J1772 to Tesla Fast. Charging adapter. The Ecogenics 2-in-1 adapter makes EV charging flexible and fast, allowing Tesla drivers to use CCS and J1772 charging stations. Built with high-quality copper conductors and durable housing, it ensures stable power transfer up to 250 kilowatts. Its compact, weather-resistant design fits perfectly in your glove box. Whether on a road trip or daily commute, this adapter keeps you powered and ready for any charging station. Number 16. SPTA 5-inch Dual-Action Car Polisher Detailing Kit. The SPTA 5-inch Dual-Action Polisher Kit is designed for flawless detailing results. With adjustable speeds and a balanced motor, it eliminates swirls and oxidation effortlessly. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the included pads and compounds simplify every step of polishing and waxing. Perfect for both beginners and pros. This kit delivers a mirror-like finish that makes your car shine like new every time. Number 17. Cori 6,500 pounds RV Stabilizer. Jax 24-inch 2-pack. The Cori RV Stabilizer. Jax provides solid support with a heavy-duty 6,500-pound capacity. Built from durable steel, each 24-inch jack ensures stability and reduces rocking during parking or maintenance. The folding handle allows easy height adjustments, while the rust-resistant coating packaging enhances longevity. Ideal for RVs, trailers, and campers, this 2-pack set guarantees a secure and steady setup for a smoother camping experience. Number 18. Wheatl's 14-inch Rivet Nut Toolkit with 7 mandrels. The Wheatl's 14-inch Rivet Nut Toolkit delivers professional-level fastening power for automotive and metalwork projects. With 7 interchangeable mandrels and over 100 rivet nuts, it fits various thread sizes with precision. The ergonomic handles provide comfort and control, while the solid alloy steel construction ensures lasting durability. Packaged in a sturdy case, it's perfect for mechanics, DIYers, and workshop enthusiasts alike. Number 19. Ekarki Cordless Grease Gun for DeWalt 20-volt battery. The Ekarki cordless grease gun works seamlessly with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, delivering strong, consistent lubrication for automotive and industrial equipment. Its ergonomic design, high-pressure output, and flexible hose make greasing effortless even in tight spots. Built for durability and convenience, it reduces manual fatigue and improves precision. Ideal for professional mechanics or heavy-duty users, this grease gun keeps equipment running smoothly with maximum efficiency. Number 20. Yaberauto 5-ton 12-volt electric car. Jack hydraulic lift. The Yaberauto 12-volt electric car jack packs an incredible 5-ton lifting capacity, making roadside tire changes quick and easy. Just plug it into your car's power outlet and it lifts your vehicle in seconds. With a built-in LED light and sturdy steel frame, it ensures safe operation even at night. Compact, portable, and reliable, this hydraulic lift is the perfect emergency companion for every car owner. Don't miss these early Amazon Black Friday car tool deals. Smart, powerful, and built to upgrade your ride. Grab your favorites now before the prices rise and stock runs out. Save big, drive better, and stay road ready.